Hello, Gotapa.
Hi Raja, how it's going?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, going good.
Okay, so today's video I'm going to introduce you to new Linux
Okay.
ISO called Omarchy OS. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
do you like the
Team.
wallpaper and theme?
Yeah, it's cool
Okay,
actually.
okay. So I'll just start from the where is it? I'll start from the beginning. Okay.
Hmm.
So we are going to discuss about Omarchy OS. Okay.
Oh,
So
this is a new OS or like?
see, you must have used Ubuntu, right? I guess
Uh-huh.
you're familiar with Ubuntu and whatever the
Yeah,
Fedora, all
yeah,
of
yeah,
that, right?
yeah.
It
Ubuntu.
comes with everything, like they have your everything is preset and you will just take it and run, correct?
Hmm.
But
Correct.
have you heard the usually in there is something called Arch Linux where you have to build everything from the scratch.
Yeah. Arch Linux. Yeah, I heard about
They
it.
used to say this is one of the toughest ways to set it up because you know
Hmm.
there will be nothing. You have to Wi-Fi. You have to configure. You have to literally configure everything.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why
Okay.
usually Arch is kind of uh,
Mm-hmm.
tough to set it up to even make
Hmm.
it work. You need
Hmm.
to you have to assemble everything by yourself. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
most of the Linux people will like to do that
Hmm.
because like they want to know everything what is there in the system. But people
Hmm.
like us who don't put some effort into unnecessary time into assembling
Hmm.
because we don't even know what we are missing. It's like
Yeah.
asking me to cook Chinese dish. I don't even know what the ingredients are, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we were happy with Ubuntu and we were working on whatever the work. I remember you were also using a Ubuntu. I think for
Mm-hmm.
this last few years I was also a Ubuntu person. So
Yeah.
where it all started, right? uh, Omarchy is what it is like. It's a Arch Linux and it is
Hmm.
opinionated and modern and beautiful. Okay, so opinionated, why are they calling it opinionated Linux is,
Uh-huh.
let's say if I'm going to set up my Linux setup from the Arch, I know what theme I want, I know which browser should be there, I know which
Mm-hmm.
files, I design what I want, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And I will
Mm-hmm.
set up everything and I'll give it to you. You can use it, you can just trust, okay, Raja must have made all the config correct.
Okay.
Let's say if I tell, hey, this will look beautiful, this theme, these are the setups, where are you, okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
you will like it. So similarly there is a person called DHH. Okay,
Hmm.
he is one of the I don't know, writer of the Ruby on Rails, Ruby
Mm-hmm.
framework. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and he set up Linux and he configured it for his use case. Okay, this is
Okay.
okay. This is what I want in my Linux system. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and he just give it to people. If anyone wants to use it, you can use it.
Okay.
So this is how this new ISO came. Okay,
Okay.
so it's like somebody took Archinex, the guy who is famous and who have done lot of open source, and he knows what he is doing and he knows what is important for his work. He
Mm-hmm.
assembled everything, and it's beautiful, and it has a theme. It has this all those things. I will explain everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, so that is how it started. Okay. Omarchy.
Okay.
So how my journey started with the Omarchy. Okay.
Okay.
So my journey started. I was a Ubuntu person. I was using Ubuntu for like what so many years on my personal PC. I ditched
Mm-hmm.
Windows long back. So
Yeah.
so
Me too.
but still my office work is still on the Mac. Like 10 hours a day I spend in that one. But still my
Uh,
personal PC is Linux and I like open source and customizable. Okay. So
yeah.
once I was coming across the some Linux related videos. I saw this setup from this YouTuber. Okay,
Okay.
it's a Linux setup. If you look
Mm-hmm.
at this one, and I was looking at my Ubuntu setup, this
Okay.
one looks so beautiful. Do you see the screen? It's nicely you know transparent with
Yeah. This.
colors, and you see the number 123.
Yeah.
Uh, in
Like it's a tabs, right? The one, two, three,
no,
four.
it's not the tab, it's like a window. So for example,
Oh.
you see my 1 2 3 4 5 is there.
Yeah.
I am in the fourth window,
Okay.
and in my third window something else is there, and
Mm-hmm.
my second window something else is there. You see,
Okay, cool actually this.
Yeah, so that you can easily switch whichever you want.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
You see? Like it just looks so good, right? So that
Mm-hmm.
is what this 1234 is from the Hyperland setup. I saw
Mm-hmm.
this one. I really liked it. I wanted to keep make my terminal look like this, like this, like
Mm-hmm.
this. And if you see here, bunch of things, it looks really
Mm-hmm.
nice. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
And I was trying to make my Ubuntu work like this. I want a
Oh,
tiling window. There is no minimization. There is no overlapping of the windows. The problem is usually there will be overlap and you have to find where is where, right?
yeah.
But here there will be no overlap. Let's say currently I have a browser and if I just open a terminal, it just adjusts.
Wow, cool.
And if I open something like calculator, it comes out because calculator I need it outside. So let's say if I want something else, Chromium, and it just comes here.
Oh, cool.
It
Cool,
just
man.
it just automatically tiles.
Ah, nice.
Okay,
Actually,
I wanted to
yeah.
set it up on my Linux, so I was
Mm.
trying to configure.
Mm.
Uh, in my Ubuntu, I wanted to do is so
Mm.
that is when I came across something called Omarcube. Something. Oh, sorry, Omarchy. I don't know. Yeah, this one, right?
Mm.
So the same thing, Omarchy for Ubuntu. Like set up everything for Ubuntu, and he's like, okay, if you already have Ubuntu, you just run this, it should work.
Oh,
But
okay.
but the problem is, again, still we are running Ubuntu, and it was not as good as I was expecting. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so that is when I come across something called Omarchy. Okay,
Okay.
so then I decided, okay, we are deciding to do it. Let's do it.
Mm.
Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's install this ISO how it looks. Okay,
Okay.
I did
Mm-hmm.
mainly for the themes and how this uh, new setup looks like. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
under the hood it still runs Arch, and the window manager is a Hyperland, they call it.
Mm-hmm.
The thing which comes like a tiling window, right? That is comes Hyperland. That's
Okay.
I think of like application, right? Okay,
Okay.
so this Omarke I wanted to do that. So the best thing, so that is the time this one also getting famous in the last 3 months. This
Mm-hmm.
became so good. Okay, Omarke OS,
Okay.
and how different this is from the other OS is, it just took like 2 minutes to install. Literally 2 minutes.
Oh,
Yes, you won't believe. Okay, all I
okay.
had to do is put my ISO, put the pen drive. 2 minutes, everything is ready. You are good to go.
Oh, it will boot up in 2 minutes.
Exactly, just 2
Oh,
minutes.
okay.
That
Cool.
was crazy. Okay, and one
Mm.
thing I really like is every time when I set up a Linux, I always run into this issue of NVIDIA drivers.
Yeah, the driver mismatch issues. Yep.
That's like a huge headache, but
Yeah.
this one worked out of the box without me touching it.
Oh, it will install by default, like whatever the
Yes,
things
the
it
driver
needed.
and everything happened in 2 minutes. That's like a
Oh,
really thing which I really liked in it. No
okay.
nonsense, no stupid. Put the pen drive.
Uh-huh.
2 minutes, you are good to go.
Wow,
Okay,
great. Mm.
and so first thing, installation is so good. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, the thing I was to tell you about. So once you install, okay, now I told you how I come to the Omarchy, and I wanted to
Mm-hmm.
experiment, and I put it in my personal PC, and this is
Mm-hmm.
how within 2 minutes you will get open. Okay, now
Okay.
if you just open it in Ubuntu, the apps will be there.
Yeah,
All
some
those things,
folders. Yeah,
folders,
yeah.
and this is
Uh,
what will this is what you will get it here. There will be
nothing.
nothing literally. Okay,
Okay.
so what will you do now? What will you need your lap machine to do? You will open apps, right? So here
Uh,
you have to press super key and space, and you will get all your apps here.
oh.
These are the apps, like a pre-installed apps. If you
Mm-hmm.
like it, you keep it. If you don't like it, you delete it. Okay,
Okay.
very minimalistic. Whatever is really necessary, only it was there. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is one. And what else you will do in your normal machine? You will do setting.
Mm.
There you go, your setting. That's all your setting. This setting is super alt plus space, and you will open this. Okay,
Okay.
and whatever you need, you will need, you can find here. Your apps will be here. If you go to the
Yeah.
learn, your shortcuts will be there. And
Mm-hmm.
if you want to change the
What is the
themes,
trigger?
trigger, if you want a screenshot or share, all
Oh,
those things.
share. Okay, toggle. Okay.
And that's all. If you want to install any of the application, the Play Store, all those things, right? And of course,
Mm-hmm.
in Ubuntu, you used to do sudo apt install, and here you have to do pacman install. That's the only difference. And if you still don't want to do, you can there is a place you can just install. It can be any of the packages, all those things. If
Mm-hmm.
you click this package, it will just go to the, it will just show all things you can install using the Arch repositories. This one.
Wow.
You can just
Mm.
type something like, I don't know, VLC, I already have it, but still, bunch of things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is one cool, and command W to close it. So whatever you need, you'll get it either here or here. There is nothing else
Mm.
you need. What else? Like, what you will use system for? Browser,
Yeah.
editor, and for,
Coding.
yeah. Okay, and
Mm.
first thing I want to introduce you to is themes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you go to the style and if you see the themes, you see there like a bunch of things. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all these themes are let's put them. This is the theme I like. I think this is called Osaka Jade. Okay,
Osaka Z.
Osaka Jade, and I'm going to show you the beauty of it. Okay, let's say this is
Mm-hmm.
my terminal. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say I have my chat GPT here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then let's say I have my browser there. Okay, browser here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now if I change my theme, okay,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, where is the theme style? If you go to themes, you see
Mm-hmm.
this is a green theme with a green background, right?
Yeah.
Let's put this on matte black. Where is it? It just changes everything.
Wow.
It changes
Yeah.
my ChatGPT theme, it's my browser theme, and
Mm.
here also if I just put fast fetch, I think this will give a, you see.
Mm.
Now similarly, if you go to the themes and change, I don't know, Everforest,
Ever forest?
it
Okay.
changed. You see.
Mm-hmm. Nice
Then
actually.
what else is there? Then if you want Tokyo Night, this is a famous one. It just changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is the theme. Uh, Again, there is like a bunch of light theme also there. I think this is light theme. No, there is. Oh, wait a minute. So if I go to 5, you see everything has its own. Where
Yeah.
you know wallpapers.
Okay.
And one more theme also, one light theme. Yeah, this one is a light color theme. If you like daytime
So
theme,
much bright. Yeah.
yeah, it's so bright, not good for our eyes. Okay, so let me go back to my Osaka J, the one I like most. Okay, you see
Mm.
everything is connected. Like this
So
theme,
based
this
on the things, it will just
exactly. Put one theme
auto.
and everything will be set.
Yeah, it will align with that
Yeah. So the
theme.
themes is the one I really liked it, and one good thing is if you want a new theme, you can always go and check the. I think where is it? I think here you can come to Omarchy themes. You can just directly set it up like a bunch of themes available. You see,
Mm-hmm.
whatever you like. I think this the forest one was looking nice. I was trying to do. Okay, so many
Mm-hmm.
things you can set up, and once you do that, all your browser background, whatever it is, it will just fit that theme. Okay,
Okay.
and that is one really good part. I really liked it. Okay,
Mm.
so again, let's come back to our original. Where were we? Okay, let's close everything. Yeah. Okay, so initially when I did, I wanted to change a few things here in the top bar. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here I wanted to have my calendar because if I click the calendar was not coming, so I had to set it up. So
Mm-hmm.
I changed, I wanted this, and if I click it, it should open some terminal, it will show the month. So I
Mm-hmm.
configured this manually.
Mm-hmm.
Then one more thing I configured is if I'm in, let's say I have like a 2 3 apps, right? Let's go here.
Mm-hmm.
There is like a 2 apps is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is my browser, all those things are there, right?
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to know where I hover, and so for this is alacrity. So I wanted this to come here. So if
Mm-hmm.
I come here, it's a Brave ChatGPT, and if I come here, it's a Brave browser. You see, after the 5, this is coming. I
Mm-hmm.
wanted that one. Again, I
Mm-hmm.
configured it myself, and the configuring this was very easy to do it. The place
Mm-hmm.
to find that is, I think it will be in the Waybar setting. Waybar, I think, yeah, this one, this is the Waybar. You see, everything is in the top bar. It'll be in this one file.
Oh.
You see, okay, there is
Mm-hmm.
a symbol, then
Mm-hmm.
workspaces is 1 2 3 4 5, and this window is the one this, and a clock and this one, and here is a screen recording indicator, and what and a tray, Bluetooth network, whatever is here. It's everything is customizable, and what size you want, what theme you want, what to to show, everything is customizable here.
Okay,
In
like if you change something here, it will reflect there directly, or you need to
Yes,
run something.
no, you just have to save it. That's how it will work.
Okay, okay.
So that is one thing. Okay, everything is
Mm-hmm.
configurable. So this is the first thing I did after using it, changing this way bar.
Mm-hmm.
Then another thing I ran into was a monitor issue. Okay,
Okay.
so what is a monitor issue? Okay, hyperland monitor. Again, everything, if you do, everything will be in the config file only. You see, I had two monitors. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
initially it was auto, and my one of my monitor was not working. Then I
Mm-hmm.
have to find a way. Then all those things I understood. Okay, this is the structure I have to give, this is the resolution, this is the point, what is the number I have to give, how the
Mm-hmm.
resolution is affecting this, where my in Windows or anything, you will just say, okay, you drag and drop to monitor where you want and all those things, but here you have
Yeah.
to customize. I just did a very bare minimum. If you really want to customize more, you can still do it. Okay,
Okay.
and that one was there. The problem I ran into was, when I set it up two monitor, it was not recognizing the second one, and the first monitor I gave the port wrong. Then suddenly my both monitor was not opening.
Oh.
When both monitors not opening, how will you even go and change anything, right? Then I
Mm-hmm.
had to unplug and plug it in the other one, then it worked. So it's, we had to be a little bit take responsibility. For example, you go to monitor and I'm telling, display port number 5 and HDMI port number A1, right?
Mm.
It will, you have like a bunch of ports, it will show. If I just change this A1 into A4 and DP into D5, this, I don't know, 2, it is going
Mm-hmm.
to take input only from that port.
So yeah,
Then this
if
port,
nothing is
whatever,
connected,
yeah, nothing is connected, this won't work. Then you cannot see the monitor, understand?
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
this is
yeah.
connected to fifth port, and you just say read only from third and second. Fifth is not going to
Mm.
there, you are going to be in trouble. That
Yeah.
happened, I experienced. Then I had to unplug and plug it every other port just to see when the monitor comes up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are the monitor setups. Then the next thing is apps. Okay, so if you
Mm-hmm.
see the apps, what are the things we use? One password I don't use. Ether, yeah, terminal they are using something Alacrity. Okay, uh, like our terminal, but it's like it comes with a lot of bunch of plugins and it makes it looks pretty.
This alacrity?
Terminal, it's just another
Oh.
terminal. There is a Gitty, there is a Ghosty, item to bunch of stuff. This is one of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
comes as a default one. And Basecamp, some application, Bluetooth, Brave, I install. And one thing is, okay, look at this one. This ChatGPT. This is not ChatGPT application. This is a
Mm.
web app. If I click ChatGPT, it will
Mm-hmm.
open a ChatGPT in my Brave browser. If you see the browser,
Yeah.
it's a Brave browser. So
Okay.
similarly, you can just say an application that will open with your browser and it will come. It will work as a separate application. Why do you need to install
Mm.
separately? Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
you can put like a bunch of things. It works out of box. Okay.
Okay.
So that was really nice. Then
Mm.
what else was there? Yeah, terminal. All the new things you like. Okay. You have you used NeoVim?
No. I
We
think Vim
see
we
VA,
use,
VA
right?
I think you must have used. Okay,
Yeah.
and
We are used.
Vim is, it has more config than the normal VA, but the
Mm.
problem is we have to set it up manually everything. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't want to set up everything and you just want everything to work off the shelf,
Mm-hmm.
you can do a NeoVim. Okay, but
Okay.
still NeoVim is crazy stupid. That's why we have something called lazy Vim. Okay,
Lazy Vim.
Yes. Okay. You have to install lazy vim. Then you open. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you right now. You see. So once you install lazy vim, new vim will open like this. Look at this. Do you see?
Mm-hmm.
The click will work. Mouse will also will work, and the keyboard also will work, and it will just look exactly like your VS Code.
Ah, cool.
You see, there is a tree left side, and there is a normal this one, and it will just makes your Vim better, much better.
It looks like a
Uh,
VS Code.
yeah, exactly. Like whatever you would expect in a VS Code, you will get it here, and you
Ah.
can get even more than that. Okay, for example,
Mm-hmm.
again, I have not explored much, but all the configs are here.
Okay.
Okay, so look at this. So this is new Vim. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then another thing they have done, they have it. Okay, I'll open the other one and show. Maybe here. Lazy Docker. You used Docker, right?
Yeah.
Lazy Docker is one of the best thing happened in the Docker. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Docker. How do you use Docker? You do you use the desktop application or just a
Or
terminal?
no, CLI.
CLI only,
Docker.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you know there is something called Docker desktop?
Yeah, there is a Docker desktop
Have you
as
have
well.
you
Yeah.
used it? Have you used it?
No, we haven't used it
Okay.
actually.
This is like a you don't need it, but with the terminal user interface. This is they call TUI,
TUI. Okay.
terminal user interface. Look at this one.
Mm.
It's a
Mm.
in a terminal. It opens a lazy Docker and it just shows what are the Docker I have in my machine. So
Mm-hmm.
these are all the Docker.
Postgres,
Yeah, Postgres,
Redis.
Redis.
Use Redis.
No, I was using this what is it, Olama
This is messaging protocol, right? Redis messaging service.
catching, I believe. I don't know. Okay, it's a
Uh,
disk,
uh,
bro. I don't know.
okay.
Okay, so these are images and these are all the volumes, and these
Mm.
are the host, and this is my container.
Okay.
I was running Olama and I was trying to configure Open Web UI, and
Mm-hmm.
for that I was trying to do that. You see, you will get all the logs. It just works.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and if you, it's really nice actually. If you see how this lazy Docker
Yeah.
works. Okay, lazy Docker like see Vim, Alacrity they have. Okay, so these are the things.
It's
Okay,
cool actually. This also.
yeah. See this navigation is really cool and smooth. It just you
Hmm.
see.
Just
If,
go to next tab. Will be nice.
yeah, exactly. Okay. So these
Mm-hmm.
things. Then what else is there? File. The one problem I had is this styling is when you open an image and the image also comes here. That part I didn't
Mm.
like because I want image to come little bit here to edit it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I have to find a way to customize. Then
Mm-hmm.
one more thing was the problem I was facing is with OBS. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say currently I'm recording a video in a
Mm-hmm.
OBS,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say if I keep my Google Meet in number 4. Okay, let's say here
Mm.
my Google Meet is there, and then I go to number 3. Why this? Okay, if I go to number 3, it will not work because the
Mm.
whatever is running in the background will not load it. So
Oh.
to record it, I have to keep you in another monitor so that the video will be running. Okay,
Oh.
so that is the only problem
That's
I
the only
feel.
problem.
Yeah, yeah, and everything else was working fine, and OBS comes as a default install application. That
Mm-hmm.
is good. So yeah, I think that is most of all. Whatever work we need to do, it has it. Then
Mm-hmm.
few things I don't like here is, for example, if I type some Chrome, it just comes like a bunch of stuff which I may not need usually. For example, Chrome driver. Why is it coming? It is
Mm.
coming, but if I press enter, it should do something, right? But it never
Not
does anything. Never does
so
anything.
that's like a terminal kind of thing, but
Yeah.
it never appears.
Yes. And I don't know
Okay.
what that is. That's a small minor thing, but if you just want a normal apps, it
Eh,
should
Do
work.
you do you install any VS Code? Like how it looks? It's same as.
Yes, VS Code also comes with the same background theme. VS Code theme
Mm-hmm.
also will change.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think they what they did was they have a if you see this Omarchy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think I can see the code of them. GitHub, if I go just to take sample themes, I don't know, I'm just taking some theme for example. If you see what are the application it takes, okay, I couldn't find it. Huh? It was there actually. What are the where and all these themes will be applied? Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I couldn't find it actually right now, but it is doable. It will be for the terminal, browser,
Mm-hmm.
background, then VS Code, whatever it is. So these are things comes out of the box, and anything else you need to you can always configure yourself.
Configure, yeah.
Yeah. So that's a good thing about this one, Omarchy, and it has like a bunch of cool wallpapers as well. So far, I am using it for a month. I never
Mm-hmm.
faced any issues, big issues. It does my job. Editing is
Okay.
done. My video is recording is able to do. Most
Mm-hmm.
of the coding, most of the browsing, it just works.
Okay.
Monitor is the best
Is
one.
it has any like slowness issue? Like
It is
if I
the
go here,
fastest operating machine I have ever used. It's the
oh,
fastest. No
great.
stupid, nothing. And if I go to my this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I do this, like literally none of the memory is being used. It literally just
Oh, it's like a very optimized OS, I
very
guess.
whatever is required, that's a very bare minimum. Okay, again,
Mm-hmm.
bunch of things you may not want it. For example, Ether, I don't use Ether. If I don't want it, I
Mm-hmm.
can just delete it or remove it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is about the um, Omarchy,
Uberk.
and everything is a keyboard driven. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you may not seen it yet, but everything is keyboard driven. I think I'll just show you one thing last.
Mm-hmm.
Learn keyboard bindings. You look at this one. If you want to open terminal, it's super press enter like written.
Mm-hmm.
B browser, F file manager, all those things. If you want to close, you have to press this. Super W. And keep
Mm-hmm.
telling it's a command W, but it's a super W.
Super W. Yeah.
And also the copy paste they recently changed. Copy paste it used to be Control C Control V, but
Yeah.
in
Super C,
Mac,
Super V.
yeah, in Mac it is always a space. What is it? Command C Command V. It is very convenient also. So currently they converted into Super C Super V, because in
Okay.
terminal you cannot do this Control C because it breaks it. So,
Yeah.
and look at this. Everything is keyboard driven. And you are asking how I'm switching this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, yeah, this one also is possible. Let's say I'll just do one example. Let's say we are number 3, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this fast fetch is a number 3. I want to send this to number 4. You just have to
Mm-hmm.
press super shift and 4, it goes to number 4. Now you go to 3, only this is there. Now you pass
Okay.
this to 4, it will go to 4.
Mm-hmm.
So all these shortcuts are really really, I liked it. It's initially you may feel like a, what is this, initially you may feel like it's a too much of remembering, but once you
Yeah.
get used to it, no, your finger will automatically go there. I liked it. Okay, and also they
Mm-hmm.
have bunch stuff, because most of the time we know you use ChatGPT, so it's also, you know
Control Shift A.
Control Shift
Oh,
A.
Super C Shift A here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if you want to open Docker, this Shift D, everything is there.
Mm-hmm.
All this shortcut. So what happens is the more you spend time, the more you will use with the keyboard, and you will feel you're doing things
Like
faster.
better, like faster. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's things about the Omarchy. And
Mm-hmm.
one thing I may want to tell is, if you open Brave, if you open this Omarchy philosophy, I think philosophy or something was there. Their official site. Just trying to find things. I couldn't find actually. It is I am manual, if you see, right. I don't know. Somewhere I saw something called their philosophy, what and all those things. Okay, I
Mm-hmm.
really liked it actually. Uh, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that is about the Omarchy. Give it a try
Okay.
if you get
Yeah.
a chance. Okay,
Yeah,
And let's see, maybe we'll discuss
let's.
again next time your experience. Okay.
Okay, sure.
And
Yeah.
yeah, thank you. I'm stopping the
Thank you.
recording.